Introducing my name Christian Anugrah Fajaputra Zebua, I will discuss the Russian on Ukraine conflict that are hot again. Not only the war between Hamas and Israel in Gaza, Palestine, the war between Russia and Ukraine is also strong going on. In the last trade update, in was mentioned or new attack were launched by Moscow on the eastern Kiev region of Donetsk. Ukraine officials said Russian missiles struck Wednesday night local time in the three areas. A total of 10 people were injured, including a baby who was rescued from the rebel. Russia is also repeatedly break up Europe. The so-called presence of Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov and the annual Organization for Security and Cooperation (OSCE) forum in Europe led the Belgian stated Ukraine the reform to end. Russia attacked the city of Novokladivia and Maisnograd in the same western part of the nation last night in the one for Moros described as a massive rocket attack. The acting head of the regional military administration was quoted saying by CNBC International. Massive rocket attack, said, describing the tragicness of the attack is surpassed that from people are still trapped under the rebel. The exploit of one church. Russia claimed no victory in Bakhmut. The Russian Defense Ministry claimed the East forces have taken control of a village on the outskirts of Bakhmut. The area is in Donetsk, eastern Ukraine. The ministry said unit of the sent a group of troops to the village of Atmoskov. The village is also now a Kromov in Ukraine. Unit of the southern group of forces with the support of aviation and strely fire improved the situation along the front line and liberate the village of the Atre Moscow, the ministry said, according to moment reported by the TASS news agency. According to Reuters, Scott, the village had a population of 1,000 people before the war. The region is referred to by Russians as the Donetsk People Republic, a semi-proclaimed republic and pro-Russian separatist religion. German Chancellor Karl Zelensky. German collector also discusses the current political, military, and humanitarian situation in Ukraine. He had a phone call by Volodymyr Zelensky called to Ukraine that Germany will continue to support Ukraine together within Europe and international partners. Scholz also reiterated Germany continued and unwavering solidarity with Ukraine. Ukraine's future lead in the European Union, he said, according to a media stated. Zelensky discussed the recent Russian attack of Ukraine's civilian energy infrastructure. He is said to have thanked Germany for its military support. NATO support from Ukraine Secretary of State Antony Blinken said support from Ukraine is strong and will continue. He said this a meeting NATO foreign ministers in person will flying to Israel. I have to do you listening to all of your colleagues at the table. Everyone expresses strong support from Ukraine health supporter. Someone have questioned whether the US and other NATO allies should continue to support Ukraine as we enter the second winter of Putin brutality But the answer NATO today is clear and unwavering, and that we must and will continue to support Ukraine. Many questions have been raised about the longevity of Africa's support from Ukraine in light of upcoming election. More and fair discussion action is growing among Republicans with the continual military side. Europa divided. Meanwhile, Europa is divided of Russia and the Organization for Security and Cooperation in Europa (OSCE) meeting. The president of Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov discouraged a number of countries from attending the agenda. Lavrov walked into the event, saying Europe was on the brink of collapse. During the meeting held in Skopje, Macedonia, have discussed the 57-member security-oriented organization of having been turned into a strong of NATO and the European Union. This organization, frankly, is on the brink of collapse, he said. In the fund reporter, a simple question arises: don't it make sense to invert a fork to refine it? He asks. So far, there are more questions than answers. He reiterated, Ukraine and the Baltic states brokered the ISOCE meeting because of Lavrov's presence. The OSCE was also legally paralyzed in the discussion, marking as Russia used the veto to derail the process, putting in question. The EU has been asking to consider Ukraine military net because Kilpin station is said to determine the future strategy of the European defense industry. All strategy can only be completed if the take in the upon Ukraine and Ukrainian industrial capacity. EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen told the annual convention of the European Defense Agency. She said Ukraine should be integrated into the EU defense program to help make its net in the fight against Russian invasion. The first step, she said, to achieve is to involve Ukraine in the strategic Indo-ASEAN consultation progress. This will lead to the integration of Ukraine in some of the definition program with the approval of the European Parliament and Council if requests held. By 2024, the EU defense industry will meet a target to increase munition production capacity to 1 million rounds per year. But the day target is separate from the EU plan to find 1 million artillery shells and missiles to Ukraine within a year. Putin to hold special spendings. 14 Russian President Vladimir Putin will hold his annual press conference and public bond call on December 14. The two events recently had spirally, but what big combination net month. The Kremlin announced speculation is rife. The Putin which has cautioned to announce the his is running for president again in the 2024 election. However, the Kremlin declining to comment on this. Putin has been in power for 23 years. He is prime minister of president. He is said to have president of the systematic suppression of critic and political opponents during that time, during which he is highly likely to win the next election in March. There is no doubting that if he files his candidacy, he will win with confidence on society in consolidate around the president. Kremlin President Secretary Dmitry Peskov, the CNBC International. Reason to take on Russia and Ukraine. The conflict between Russia and Ukraine has a global impact, especially since both countries play an immortal role in the international politics. Now, both the conflict can often geopolitical and economic dynamics and larger. These issues included human rights violations the court during conflict, such as violation of civil liberties, military action influencing civilian population, and what review software can help drive global awareness and response. To human rights violation, the media can also provide in-depth analysis of the real concept of the conflict, the political dynamics in the region, as well as the long-term implications. These help our nation to understand the complexity of the situation and develop a better audition to understand the complexity of the situation and develop a better outlook. Third-party involvement, such as the role of the country international organizations or multinational corporations, can expand understanding of the conflict. Now can highlight the role in finding a solution, or often equalizing the situation. Convergence of diplomacy and negotiation effort to resolve of conflict provided information about the peace process and the role of mediator. This can help ensure international support from precision solution.